Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Let's get started. At first, open Roblox app. Click on More. Now click on Help and Safety. Click on Help. Now search voice chat. Scroll down. Now click here, Need more help? Contact support here. Now fill up the form correctly and carefully. Enter your username. Enter your email address. On Android phone. Tap on How to. Tap on How to Other. Now describe here. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option is not showing. Please enable this option as soon as possible. Thank you. Now tap on Continue and wait 2 or 3 days. Hope that you will get voice chat option. Thank you.